What up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Check out what we got today. Giving you a little view of the box. These are the best pizzas Dominos has. They're basic. All their other crusts suck ass. This is the best one. In case you don't know. You know what I mean? Read all that signage. Yeah. Fucking so good, guys. So usually when I've gotten these in the past, I've gotten the extravaganza, the one with like 8 toppings on there. And I mean it's all got to fill up the pizza. They're not gonna overload it, you know, so you probably get the same amount of toppings as you do a 1-topping pizza in total, you know what I mean? But I've never done just a pepperoni in one of these. It's fucking delicious. Obviously I ate 3 pieces already. I was hungry. Didn't want a video at that point. But yeah, you guys, just a heads up so you guys know, pan pizza, and it only comes in medium at Domino's is the shit. If you don't know, Domino's sucks. The other crusts suck ass. Like, it doesn't even taste good at all, but these are friggin' delicious. So step up your game. I know you got one of these in the neighborhood. We all do, pretty much, don't we? Alright, guys, just wanted to let you know what I'm up to today. Just chilling, eating some pepperoni pizza. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment, all that cringy YouTube crap. I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Peace.